Hey everyone, in this video, I'm about to show you how to use the GasBuddy card. First, go to the GasBuddy website using your browser. With the GasBuddy card, you can save 3 cents per gallon on every fill-up and 5 cents per gallon at select gas stations. If you activate a deal alert, you can save up to 33 cents per gallon. The card offers guaranteed full savings across the country, wherever MasterCard is accepted. You can also earn an extra 3 cents per gallon for every $25 you spend inside the convenience store on non-fuel items. The Pay with GasBuddy card gives you the freedom to save at any gas station, so you're not limited to one brand. Using the card is simple. At the pump, insert or swipe your card. If the pump asks, select Fleet Card or Fuelman. Choose your fuel grade and fill up as usual. The payment will automatically withdrawn from your linked bank account. Your saving will show up in the GasBuddy app or on the receipt sent to your email, although it might take up to 7 days to appear. If you're shopping inside the convenience store, swipe or insert your card at the register. Again, if prompted, choose Fleet Card or Fuelman. For every $25 spent on non-fuel items, you'll earn an additional 3 cents per gallon in savings. You can check your progress and rewards in the GasBuddy app. To get the most out of the card, connect it with the GasBuddy app. This will help you find the cheapest gas near you and give you access to more offers and discounts. To apply for your card, click on Get Your Card on the GasBuddy website. Enter your email address and postal code. Then check the box to accept the terms and conditions and click Get the free card. On the next screen, check the box again and click Continue. After that, enter your driver's license number, select your state and type in your date of birth. Then check the box and click Continue once more. To finish the sign-up, complete the remaining steps by entering your shipping address, linking your checking account, select your payment options, and finally reviewing and submitting your details. Thanks for watching. Hope you found it useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye.